guys, welcome back to Priyanka Makers and I hope you are doing great. So today in this video we will be seeing what I got from Plum Goodness. And wait, it's their 8th birthday. Yes guys, Plum Goodness is turning 8 this year and they are having the biggest sale of the year from 1st to 4th of July and they are having some amazing discounts, offers and freebies. So happy birthday Plum and thank you for providing us with such clean and beautiful products. So let's get started. Our first product is Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Serum. It actively works on blemishes and post-acne marks and it also regulates sebum production and also protects your skin from sun damage. So our second product is this Plum Shampoo. So if you are looking for some sulfate-free shampoo, then you should try this because it is a sulfate-free and it hydrates your hair and it has some plant-derived keratin that helps you get more stronger hair. Our third product is this Plum I Swear by Matte Eyeliner. So this eyeliner gives you a deep black matte finish in just one stroke and it is also smudge proof and waterproof and it dries quickly. And our fourth product is this Vanilla Vibes Body Mist. So it is a cute and travel friendly mist which lasts long, giving you a warm vanilla fragrance. And that's not all guys, you can get additional 10% off using code BDAY10. And guys, they are having really amazing offers. One of the offer is that one of the lucky winner will get iPhone 13 every day. Yes, you heard that right. So what are you waiting for guys? Go and shop now. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.